Well, okay, I just got off the phone with our primary donor, and he's a go. Everybody else, I'm sure, will come on board. So here's video number one. I just started taking the Christmas lights out, and here we go, October 27th. Well, I've pulled the lights out, and I'm starting to put them up. And I don't know why I'm talking to you, because I should be putting lights up. See ya! Okay, video 3 of, I guess, 40. So, the telegraph office gets green. And last night I finished the general store. So, onwards. Well, it rained today, and so rather than put up lights, I kind of staging stuff. So, this will suck up an hour, organizing everything, getting it ready, various paraphernalia. Well, I did the barbecue, the hot tub, the round goat pen, and the garden and the chicken coop. Oh, and the house. And most of the water tower. Focus. And the arbor. And that's it. Well, interesting. The crescent moon above the cross. So I've been making progress. Unfortunately, I haven't been taking as many videos as I should have. So I've done the pasture, and basically all the structures are complete. Okay, I think I'll redo this one. Well, now what I'm working on is the power grid for the flag and the cannon area. The street is done. So last night I finished the arena, and today I finished the pole barn. I think I want to add some whites to these purples because they're kind of odd. So a few days ago, I took all of my multicolor LEDs and ran them all around the pasture. So for the first time, I was able to cover the pasture in LEDs. So I drove down to Santa Maria and San Luis to get the 1,400 feet of blue LED to replace the incandescents along the stream. Okay, this was the project of the day. Running the cable up to the oak tree, setting the anchor, putting some loops on these, upgrading them from last year, setting up the lighting that lights them up, and of course, you gotta have landing lights, reindeer landing lights. Well, I got the signs out front on the street. Thank you, sponsors. Here we go. So I did the tree about 3-4 days ago, the antenna tower tree. I did the cannon a few days ago. And now you can see the reindeer lighting up with the floodlights. A little too hot on the right. Well, you can see some of the blue along the stream. Chicken coop is done. Garden's done. I'll do an upgrade over there. So there's the LED blues on the stream. And the bridge is done. And I added those whites to the purples on the round pen. Well, Just about 3 more big projects and a bunch of little stuff, and I'm done. Okay. That's good.
Girl. Come here, let's get our picture. Come here, sweetie. Come with Grandpa. Take a picture. Come with Grandpa. Get a picture. John?
Oh, yeah. He's behind you.
That's good.